Hi there, Connor here again at our San Antonio facility, and today we're talking key specifications. Starting off with the basket itself. The basket is rated to £1,000 through 90% of the working range and to £660 through that last 10%. Now, one of the big selling points is that it is rated to carry 3 people throughout the entire range. Many of our competitors will derate that to 2 people when it gets to that 10% zone. £660 and £1,000, 3 people. Moving on down to the base of the machine, we have a 40-gallon hydraulic tank here and then a 27.5-gallon fuel tank. The ground bearing pressure through each of these blacksmith tyres are 11,800 pounds, and then we'll walk you around to the other side to the engine itself. Under the hood is an engine that you should be familiar with, the JCB 444 EcoMax. It's a 4.4 litre engine delivering 74 horsepower, meaning no DEF, no DPF needed on this machine at all. And then finally, moving to the generator itself, it's 7.5 kilowatts, runs at 60 hertz and gives you 3-phase power, 230 volts and 110 in the basket. That makes a quick video and wraps up the key specifications of the JCB T65.